This is completely new and we've never discussed it before. And it works great and earns commissions on automation. It's by far one of the simplest methods to set up a passive income online. And it only takes a couple of minutes. More importantly, it works anywhere in the world. So if you'd like to know how to set it up yourself and gain some exclusive extras, pay attention towards every second of this video up until the end. But first, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed trying to profit online. Also, if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that I will notify you when I have a new and exciting strategy for making money online. I'll walk you through all of it step by step so you can get the great outcome and set it up quickly. This is literally fast and you can turn on the automation with just one tap. But before you get there, there's something else to set up first. So you must pay attention to all the steps. Let's start with step 1, which is to register at ultronvip.me, which will assist you in making money on autopilot. Stay tuned to the end of the video to learn how to correctly set it up. If you don't follow those steps, this may not work for you. So be diligent and pay serious interest towards every step of this video. Step 1 is to sign up for it. Second step, once you log in, you'll be able to create new campaigns and start directing traffic to certain links. I'll explain how it works in detail later, but first, provide your campaign a name. After that, input only one keyword that is related to your chosen area. If you put in more, it won't function. For example, your chosen area is all about finance. Simply enter one word that is related to your campaign and click Start. We have to wait for about a minute and it will show how many possible clicks I can have on my referral link or affiliate links. And I'll be able to determine whether I can earn profit or not. If I click on key terms related to my campaigns, I may see how many people have clicked my affiliate link. You don't need to market all of them. You only need a few of them to buy to generate a profit. They also have several done for you, videos that you can use to earn extra profit and enhance your results. You'll notice this training section on the left where they'll walk you through every step about how to use all of the benefits of this deal and all of the features that this bot has to offer. Basically, we can just send targeted traffic to whatever URL we want. And it only takes one click. The third step, now that you have the traffic source running on autopilot, you'll need some resources to promote in order to earn money. And one of the best options is to use either ClickBank or Digistore. Both Digistore24.com and ClickBank.com are completely free. So you can sign up in about 1 minute. Log into your account and get started with your money right away. By clicking on the marketplace right here, you can see how much money you made today and then locate different offers to promote. You can choose any category in any area you want. It doesn't have to be in any certain demands, so you can use whatever you want. For example, you have chosen business and investment. After you've decided on a topic, click on that category on the right side to see a variety of suggested offers that you may advertise and see how much money you'll make for each sale you make. Choose what you want to promote and then click Promote Now to get your affiliate links right away. You won't have to wait for approval because you can copy and share your affiliate link right away. You'll get particular income every time someone clicks and takes action. And the autopilot traffic I'm utilizing from that offer helps to deliver me dozens of targeted people. You can even go back and create a new campaign by simply typing in the campaign name and the area you want to target. Simply remember that it only requires one keyword to operate, and then click Start. You'll be able to view the prospective clicks, and you'll be able to earn money per person if someone clicks on your referral link. Not all of them will take action, and not all of them will purchase from you. That's extremely difficult. But even if only a small portion of them does, it'd still be extremely profitable. And this can work for any offer you want to promote in any niche you prefer. And it doesn't have to be from ClickBank or Digistore. You can also promote CPA offers from CPO Lead, Max Bounty, and other affiliate networks. You may sign up at ultronvip.me, and as you can see from the beginning, it's a really simple process. Choose your niche, whether it's fitness and inspiration or motivation or whatever you choose. Enter the URL and flip on the automation with a single click of a button, and that's it. A good number of people from all over the world have already had great success with this bot and earning great income, so I suggest you start now. I hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any videos. Thanks for your undivided attention, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.